Sustainability has always been and still is a relevant topic to this day. And today I made an aquaponics farm powered by a solar panel, and this is how I built it. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how I built it. But before that, I need to explain why sustainability is such a big deal. It started when I remembered a day when I was in elementary school. And I remembered a hydroponics project. I thought to myself, that was fun. Maybe I should do a video about it. And that's not only a great idea, but it's also an important one. Sustainability is getting more valuable by the minute due to free energy and stuff being more popular. Also, with the rise of technology, moving to more electricity rather than fossil fuel, it only makes sense for me to do it because, it also helps you guys understand how to use solar panels and stuff, which I think is pretty interesting. So that's why sustainability is important and how this all even started. But now I'm gonna teach you, actually tell you how this system works. So it starts with the solar panel that I got from a product that doesn't really does its job. So I just got the solar panel because the solar panel was pretty good and the battery was also pretty good. So I take the battery connected to the switch. So that's one component, and then the solar panel itself. Now those two components are gonna be connected to a water pump, which is going to power the entire system. So the solar panel is gonna charge the battery with the switch. Now the switch, when clicked, is gonna switch modes to the water pump, which the water pump is gonna, shoot the water from the energy we got from the solar panel. Now the solar panel charges, like what I test was 2 hours, pretty good charge. So that's probably enough for water for the plants because there's also gonna be cotton. Real simple, no Arduino stuff. Yeah, there's no Arduino in this, which is pretty weird, but yeah, that's how it works. And now I think it's ready. It's time for us to see the montage of how I built it in the first place. So yeah, cue the montage. So when I was building the thing, it was pretty straightforward, and I just connected some wires and stuff, and it actually worked. So yeah, really good. So yeah, this is the build, and in the showcase I'm gonna show how much these things have grown and how much the fish have grown to show if it actually works or this is just a gimmick. And yeah, one of them broke, one of them doesn't work, the others work too well, so I had to get creative with the cotton and stuff, make a hole. And then this one, this one's just dead, this one is also dead, but the best one is this one and this one. So let's see how they grow. So this is the aquaponics farm thing, and it works pretty well, but the thing isn't that sturdy. So for day one I just made it established, and that's basically it. I brought it up in day one too, and I basically removed the fish, and after that I changed the entire setup because it wasn't that sturdy. Same concept but just different. So we're gonna see on day 2. On day 2 we used PVC pipe instead of the wood, and it's way more sturdy and works better actually. But yeah, basically same thing, and the fish are doing well. The plants grown a little bit but not that much. On day 3, it was same with day 2. The fish are doing well. The plants have grown even more, but I wanted to test the solar panels and its limits, so I did it. I just waited for the sun to come out, and I want to see if the solar panel can charge the battery while powering the motor. So let's see if that works. So I waited for a while, and yeah, the thing cannot dual charge, so it can't move the motor while the solar panel is charging the battery, and it can handle pretty well under the rain, so pretty good. yeah, I guess that's the entire video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a like, and comment down below what else should I make with a solar panel, because as you can see, it works pretty well under the rain, but it can't really charge while moving the motor, so we probably need to extend the solar panel and the battery too. So we gotta upgrade that system. But the concept works, and it does work for its purpose, so pretty happy with that one. And yeah, I guess that's all I'm gonna say. Bye bye.